every once in a while, a product does not just improve something, it redefines it. Not an upgrade, not a feature release, a reset. For years, businesses have been told this is what a call center should look like. Agents, extensions, licenses, and add-ons. And somewhere in the middle, a frustrated customer. While the industry was busy selling seats, we were quietly listening. We walked into call centers, we sat beside agents, we watched supervisors, and we listened to customers. And we realized something radical. The problem was never the people. The problem was the architecture. So we went quiet. Not because we could not build it, but because we refused to ship something just incremental. We were not building a feature. We were rebuilding the foundation itself. And when you rebuild the foundation, you don't rush it. Today, the foundation is ready. Today, we introduce TingTing Connect, the world's first AI-native call center solution, where AI is not a feature, it's the infrastructure. And now, let's talk about the usual suspect. Traditional call centers treat AI like a plugin, a chatbot bolted onto a legacy system, a dashboard layer on top of yesterday's architecture, clunky, disconnected, and reactive. That's not intelligence, that's just decoration. With TingTing Connect, AI is not added later. It's built in, it's built deep, and it's built first. This is not an upgrade. This is a leap. Here's what happens when intelligence becomes foundational. Every single conversation automatically recorded, transcribed in real time, and even analyzed instantly. No conversation disappears into silence. When a call transfers, the next agent doesn't start from zero. They see the full journey, a clear summary, context, in seconds. The system maps the sentiment across entire timeline, and you can literally see emotion shift, frustration, confusion, and the relief. And then every interaction is even scored. Agent efficiency, resolution quality, performance clarity. So it's not guesswork, it's not manual QA, and not even sampling 2% of the calls. All of it in real time. We have been running this quietly, and every time we see it in action, it just feels effortless. And it's not even magic, it's just architecture. Now, let's talk about the scale. Most call center platforms charge you per human agent extension. Your growth is tied to a license count. At TingTing Connect, you get unlimited extension because growth should never be tied with seats. It should be rather powered by AI infrastructure. And then there's privacy. We believe business communication should remain exactly where it belongs, under your control, inside your network. So we built something absolutely radical, and we are calling it the box. A purpose-built hardware unit optimized for TingTing Connect. You plug it into your network, and that's it. Built-in software, built-in intelligence, and built-in AI capabilities. Processing happens within your environment. Your conversation remains yours. No exposure, no external dependencies, and no compromise. Enterprise intelligence and enterprise control together. This level of capability only works when intelligence is native. AI should not be a layer, it should be infrastructure. Now for the question everyone asks, how much? TingTing Connect with the box is available starting at $0. Yes, $0. We are rolling this out to a limited number of enterprise partners. If you believe communication should be intelligent, if you believe customer data should stay controlled, and if you believe AI should be infrastructure, not decoration, join our waitlist. Don't just take the call, reset the system. Welcome to TingTing Connect.